Hi guys, I'm back, and as I promised you from our previous session that even in this session we'll be still doing quadratic but a different approach on how to get Tn. So with quadratic equation, our standard equation is equals to Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Right, so our a, we get it by saying 2a is equals to our second difference. Our b is a constant, our c is a constant, n is the number of term, and tn is the nth term. Right, using the very same example that we had from our previous two section, let's see how to have a different approach to this one. 4, 20, 56, and 112. So our first difference here is this one will be 16, this one will be 36, this one will be 56. And our second difference here, it will be 20, and there it will be 20 as well. Right, now we have 2a is equals to our second difference, which is 20, of which a is equals to 10. Right, so let me just divide the board so that I can have a lot of space. So a is equals to 10. Our Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c, of which our a, we already know that it's 10, so that will be 10n squared plus bn plus c, and this is our Tn. So from here, what we do, we take this 10n squared, and we find expression of 10n squared by substituting t1, t2, t3, t4. Oh, we have four terms only there. So that would be, if we substitute 1 into there, it will be 10 multiplied by 1 squared, which will remain as 10, and 2 squared will be 4 multiplied by 10, this will give us 40. 3 squared will be 9 multiplied by 10, that will be 90, and 4 squared will be 16 multiplied by 10, it will be 160. Alright, now we have a new expression which is 10, 40, 90, and 160. Alright, from this expression now, what we do is we say our original expression, which is this one. Where is it? This one, which is 4, 20, 56, and 112, minus our 10n squared expression, according to the number of terms though. So that means that 4 will subtract 10, and our second term there is 40, our third term there is 90, our fourth term there is 160. Alright, so that will be 4 minus 10, which will be negative 6, 20 minus 40, that will be negative 20, 56 minus 90, that will be negative 34, and 112 minus 160, it will be negative 48. Alright, we have that right now, guys. So from the expression that we have here, okay, I need space, so I will erase what's in here, okay? I will erase what I have in the, okay, okay. Guys, our expression was 4, 20, 56, and 112. This is our original pattern. So from here we have a new expression, which is this one. We have a new pattern. So we take from that new pattern, which is negative 6, negative 20, negative 34, and negative 48. We make an equation, a linear equation, by using this one. So let's see if this is really a linear equation from here. So negative 20 minus 6, which will be negative 20 plus 6, it will give us 14. Okay, yeah, that will be 14. Negative, let me check, let me just use a calculator. Negative 20 plus, it will give us negative 14, yes. Even here it will be negative 14, negative 34 plus 20, negative 14, the same as that one, it will be negative 14. So our A is negative 14. We use a linear sequence and series equation, which is Tn is equal to an plus b. An plus b. We already have our A, which is negative 14, and n plus b. So we need to find b. So our b, we use it T1 is equals to, of which T1 is equals to negative 6 is equals to negative 14 into 1 plus 6, of which our b is equals to, this is b. Our b is equals to negative 6 plus 14, of which this will be 8. So our equation, our linear equation is Tn is equals to negative 14n plus 8. So we take this equation and combine it with 10n squared. So our new equation is Tn is equals to 10n squared minus 14n plus 8. So this is our B, this is our C, this is our A. If you can check from my previous lessons, you can see that it does correspond to the answer that we got from our previous two sessions, which is 10n squared minus 14 and 8 for C. Alright, let's recap, guys. Our original expression that we were given is this one: 14, 20, 56, and 112, of which from there, our second difference that we got 20, of which we said 2a is equals to 20 and we got 8 is equals to 10. Right. From there, from the expression Tn is equals to 8n squared plus bn plus c, we have Tn is equals to 10n squared. We just substitute 10 into a plus bn plus c, of which now what we do from 10n squared, we make a new expression of 10n squared, of which by using term 1, term 2, term 3, according to the number of terms that we were given from the original pattern. So we had 4 terms from the original pattern, so that's what we do. We only find 4 terms. So we find, if we substitute 1 into this expression, we get 10. If we sub 2 into that one, we get 40. If we sub 3 into that expression, we get 90. And we have 10, 40, 90, and 160 as our new expression of 10n squared. So what we do, we say the original pattern minus the pattern of 10n squared, which is this one, which is this pattern here. But we subtract it according to the number of patterns. So T1 from the original was 4, and for 10n squared is T1 is equals to 10. So we say 4 minus 10, which will give us negative 6, and 20 minus 40 will give us negative 20. 56 minus 90 will give us negative 34. 112 minus 160, it will give us negative 48. Now, this is our new expression. From this expression, which I took and write it here, we use a linear sequence and series to find an equation. So the first difference here is negative 14, of which is just a confirmation that this is a linear equation. From there, we use, this is a is equals to negative 14, we find a, and we use T1 is equals to negative 6, is equals to negative 14 into 1 plus b, we find our b as 8. So our expression for linear equation is negative 14n plus 8. So what we do, we take that equation from linear and we add it to 10n squared here. So our new expression for Tn is equals to 10n squared minus 14n plus 8. And it does correspond to what we have found from our previous two sessions, which was 10n squared minus 14n plus 8. Alright guys, that's it for this session. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maths XYZ, so that you can get daily notification when we upload videos. Thank you.